Mommy, I fix your face on the camera and you can't look so.
I'm supposed to look
You can't look so. You have to look happy.
Come on, but I don't know how. It's just not me.
I mean, I don't look happy.
I'm like really strange people.
Alright, so Marla, enjoy the show. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video today is going to be a really quick transformation on my mom. I'm going to show you guys how I take her from this to this real quick and really easy. So if you guys want to see how I transform her hair and her makeup and everything, then just keep on watching. Guys, before I get into the video of this transformation on my mom, I want you guys to follow my work Instagram. If you guys like transformations, then you'll definitely like that page. On there I do like, you know, befores and afters on my clients and makeup transformations, hair transformations. So I think you guys will really like it. Please just go on over, show some love, double tap some photos and videos. I really would appreciate it. The link will be in the description bar down below. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the Eco Styler gel on my mom's hair right now. So I'm just misting the hair down with water so that it's nice and saturated. And I'm going to give you guys like a little bit of history on her hair. Alright, my mother has done everything possible to her hair. She's had perms, she's had jerry curls, she's had different kinds of chemical treatment, chemical styles, you know. She's done the sew-ins with the leave-outs and she has a lot of damage. Alright, but she has had her hair natural for a couple years now without doing like any of that to it, so it has made some progress. Her texture is probably a 4B or 4C because it's not as thick as it looks on camera. It's actually very soft. So that's just a little bit of background on her hair, but I've started doing the wash and go now. So I'm, you know, forming the curls. I'm gonna flip the camera to show you guys a better angle of what I'm doing. I'm just basically ensuring that the hair is wet while I apply the gel and basically comb the gel through. Now I think I'm gonna start doing my own wash and goes like this because the definition that I see in the curls doing it like this is totally different than you get from just raking the product through with your hands. So I think we're gonna start doing my own wash and goes like this and see what results I get, so stay tuned for that. So right now I'm just, you know, forming the curls in her hair, and this is basic, I would say, or very simple. It's nothing too complicated, but of course I do need some curl pattern going on because I'm going to be using, of course you guessed it, the clip-in extensions from HERGIVENHAIR. Alright, I'm going to be using the curly texture because I had some left over from my styles that I did not use, so I'm going to allow my mom to use those, you know, because she really wanted to try them out. So I think it'd be good that you guys will get to see it on somebody's hair other than my own. Her hair is of a different length and everything, so right now I'm just adding the clip-in extensions. You know, I'm just clipping them in, measuring up, making sure that they're the perfect length. Yeah, you guys have seen me do this on my own self, so I don't think it's that complicated. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this part because I think you guys already know how this part goes. So after I've defined the hair and added the clip-ins where I want, I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, define the curls of her leave-out so that it's able to be blended with the extensions. And she's just going to tie her edges down, and then I'm going to move on to her makeup. Alright, so for this look it's going to be very simple, something clean, because my mother hates makeup. In all the 5 years that I've been doing makeup, my mother has never ever let me touch her face because she hates makeup. Alright, so I think it was a very special moment, me getting to do her makeup for the first time, so I definitely had to share it with you guys. Now you guys know the drill. I'm just doing her eyebrows, lightly defining them, you know, because she naturally has thick eyebrows. I'm going to go through with the concealer to clean them up and all of that. You guys know this routine, you guys see me do this before. But she does have very dark lids, so I'm going to apply a lot of concealer on her lids to brighten them up and also to act as a base for the shadow that I'm going to be putting on. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. That's the shade I'm using. Throughout the video you guys will see that the light kind of fluctuates. It gets dark, then it gets bright. That's because the sun was kind of playing hide and seek, and I'm sorry about that, you know. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video either way. So I'm just blending out the concealer on her lids. I'm going to set the concealer that I placed on her lids, and then I'm going to go in and put a color in her crease. This is of course Earth Glow by Milani. You guys know I love this stuff so much, so I just had to give her a light transition, something that wasn't too over the top, you know. I'm using the Profusion Bare palette on her eyes. I'm just applying the off-white color on her lids and also under her brow bone, and I'm smoking it out with the brown from the palette, and then I'm going to go over her lid with the gold color from the palette. I wanted to keep it very light, you know, so nothing too dramatic, nothing too smoky, because she hates makeup like you guys have no idea. The most she would do is some lip gloss and then that's it. So I'm lining her eyes now, and then I'm gonna also line the top. Then I'm gonna define her lashes because she has very long lashes. I'm so sorry I couldn't zoom in so that you guys could see. I'm using the Runway Eyes mascara from Milani, because you guys know I love this brush. So I'm just using that to define her lashes. All the products that I use, guys, I'm gonna of course leave the list in the description bar below so you guys can see. And now I'm gonna apply her foundation. This is the BlackOut Cosmetics liquid foundation. This has such good coverage, guys. It's definitely full coverage, and she has a lot of acne scars and acne spots from, you know, her acne. So I'm just applying that all over her face so that, you know, her skin tone can get evened. And then I'm going to highlight her face, and I'm using the same LA Girl Pro that I used for her eyes. So this shade, of course, again is Cool Tan, and I'm of course filling in under her eyes a lot because she does have very dark circles. So I'm just blending that out with the blending brush from BH Cosmetics. I love that brush so much. It has a nice dual fiber texture. Now I'm contouring using the FOF concealer stick, and I'm just blending that out, you know, so that her face has a really nice shadow, adding back some color to her face. And guys, this is running so quickly because I wanted it to be a very quick transformation video. And then I'm going to use the Nika K Perfect 23 color palette to set her contour, and I'm just applying that onto the cheeks and also onto the sides of her nose. And I'm also going to use that palette to apply a blush to her cheeks and blend that out. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit to apply her highlight, you know, just to give her a nice subtle glow, nothing too dramatic. And then onto her lips, I'm taking this mauve pencil and I'm lining her lips with that. And then after lining her lips, I'm going to use this Tracy Pale Pink Lippy, and I'm applying that onto her lips as well. And then it's just final touches from there, you know, touching up the eyeshadow, making sure that I put a little bit in her tear duct to brighten up the eyes a bit, and then I go over with a little bit more of the gold. Alright, yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is basically the look. I had so much fun making this, you know, we talked and we laughed the whole time. It was so much fun. If you guys want me to feature other people in my videos, thumbs up this video and let me know in the comments below, because I think that would be very fun, you know, to see somebody's face other than mine all the time. I definitely love to do that for you guys, so let me know in the comments. Please tell my mom something nice in the comments because she gets so dramatic, guys, you have no idea. Yeah, she'll think this was a complete waste of her time, but yeah, say something nice in the comments below so she knows, you know, it's all good, it's all love over here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. Continue to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. You guys know every Monday, Wednesday and Friday I put out a new one, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful, zine. Bye.